Now, if you watch my channel, then you probably know that I don't really like to make predictions on what's going to happen with the future price action of the market, because just like, 99% of other people, all my predictions end up being wrong. But I want to talk to you guys about some signs on these charts that could give us some time frames and things on these monthly charts, the weekly chart, compare a bunch of these charts all together to see, and it's painting a very nice scenario for us to go ahead and get heavy and deep into this crypto market, learn as much as you can learn, discover as many projects as you can discover, get your bags ready. So that's what we're going to be talking all about in this video. So first things first, we're looking at this Bitcoin chart right here on the monthly chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just take this Fibonacci level off right here and just look at something very, very simple. We just have the 34 moving average right here, and then we have this MACD right here. Now, if you watch my last TA video or not, then you can see that I was saying, hey, this MACD is signaling that, hey, Bitcoin is gaining some momentum right here to the upside. Although it's below the 34 moving average, that's going to be the first level that it has to come up and test. But even that level is a very nice level because it is at the halfway mark to the all-time high, right? It is at 31,600 at the time of recording this video. So although Bitcoin put in a doji right here on this monthly and it's looking like it's going to go to the downside, let's take a look at this daily chart right here real quick so we can see Bitcoin has some weird price action. We had the whole Jerome Powell thing today. That's why we had a red day today. But we need to stay above this green line right here, which is 21,400. But we could come all the way down and retest this line right here. To be honest, this 200 moving average right here. But we are looking like we're trying to curve up on the MACD on the daily. When we look on the weekly, it's also still looking interesting. So we've been talking about this for a while, saying, hey, we got to get above this 200 moving average. We haven't yet, but I'm thinking, hey, maybe we come right here and we bounce at 20K again, and then we can continue up, or maybe even wick. I don't know. Price action has been pretty weird in that regard, but nonetheless, when we go to the monthly, we see that it is trying to give us a nice pump to some type of level up here. At the very least, we haven't tested the 34 yet, at around 31K for Bitcoin. That will make the altcoins do some nice things. If that happens, that's why we always just talk about Bitcoin, because the altcoins just follow Bitcoin. Now when we look at this DXY right here, which is the arch nemesis of Bitcoin, we can see this is the monthly chart. Remember, the Bitcoin monthly chart was looking bullish. This is looking very bearish right here. It is looking like it is getting a little bit tapped out on this MACD indicator right here. When we go to the weekly, we can see, hey, look, there's a top right here. This 34 moving average is at 106, somewhere like at 107. Maybe it comes over here and wicks up like it did in these cases right here. Maybe even wick up to 107, 109. Those are some pretty bearish days. And now it's coming back up and trying to retest those levels on this weekly chart, getting pretty bullish right there, just like Bitcoin is getting bearish on the weekly. When we go to the daily, just the opposite of Bitcoin getting bearish on the weekly. We go to the daily is also pumping. So Bitcoin daily pumping, DXY daily, Bitcoin daily dumping, DXY daily pumping. Bitcoin weekly dumping, DXY weekly pumping. Monthly DXY dumping, monthly Bitcoin dumping. Maybe it has something to do with taxes. I don't know. A lot of people gotta do what they gotta do around tax time. Taxes in crypto kind of suck. So if you're dealing with crypto taxes, I feel you on that one, but it is what it is. It is worth the reward to go ahead and do what they got going on with the whole tax situation. Just make sure you do your taxes. It's not financial advice, but make sure you do your taxes. Now, that Bitcoin's been following the stock market, so let's take a look at the XPX right here, and we can see this is the Bitcoin. This is the XPX daily dumping. The XPX weekly dumping, the XPX monthly looking like it wants to pump in the next couple of months. So everything is kind of coinciding with that. So with that being said, it sets us up. Now we have a time to go ahead and start collecting ourselves some low cap gems, maybe some of our high caps, some of the high caps we like management, stuff like that. And yeah, just doing what investors do, collecting our coins, sit back, reap the rewards of finding the best projects in the long run. Whew, my bad, I had a cough attack. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment in the comment box of anything you would like me to talk about. I know I say that in every video and I haven't talked about any subscriber coins, so those videos are coming soon. I just want to look into them very deep for you guys and make sure I give you guys a pretty nice review on some of the dope projects that you guys have been calling out. RIP to crypto roots. Remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.